How to find QR code on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find QR code on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First, don't forget to subscribe and like. Go to your Instagram and click on your profile. Click on those three lines up there. Now click on QR code. And this is it. Now you can scan your QR code by click on scan QR code. And this is it. This is how you're gonna find your QR code on Instagram. Like I told you, it's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.